This is not looking easy. This is the new piece. Trying to bend it in a vise. It is like rock solid. That is not going to be easy. So forgive the noise. Okay, here we go. To me, to you, to me. Oh God, I think I'm going to go and get some earplugs. This is going to be horrible. I'm back. I've got my Mickey Mouse ears on. Going again. Ooh, I think that might work. It's not going to be easy. I think half my bench is going to fall over. Well, it's not started moving at all. Of course things are going to fall off the bench because the bench is full of stuff. Silly Gary. It's moving there. Oh. Just like bending it now. This piece of metal will probably be stronger than the rest of the Panda. Right, I'm going to take the stuff off the bench and try and be a sensible boy. Good job I go weight training. Right blooming thing to do. See if I can get it to move along now. I could even stick my tongue out as I'm doing it. It's got to be perfect, hasn't it? Oh. Yeah, that's looking good. We know what? I think that's pretty blooming brilliant. 90 degrees, totally flat. I think that's a good piece. Sergio will be happy. Sergio is the Fiat Panda by its nickname, as it was a Sergio Cicchini. I think it was only one of 8 in the country before I decided to make it into a rally car, so that's obviously helped it a lot. Second piece made, smashed out of the park in a matter of seconds. Much easier when the whole thing fits in the vise. Perfect. So guess which side I've done already. Panda springs. Oh well, there we are. More OCD. Got the rust off all of those. Just now going to rust protect them. And then I'm sure I'll end up painting them. I suppose the dilemma is now I've rust treated it. It's pretty black already. Do I need to paint them or not paint them? The jury's out. Cars are very annoying. So this was totally mint. Trailing arm out to the Panda, but a couple of days in the desert and driving back through Spain and France is now a rusty pig. Okay, it was 2 years ago, but maybe I'll try and put a video together of that event. It was something else, that's for sure. But rust. It's gonna have to swinging arm, not cross member. It's gonna have to get minted up. Desert damage. Crushed the brake line while smashing the swinging arm into the bottom of the car, I'm sure. That is going to be coming off and being replaced. No idea who you think might have OCD, but they are the race car bits done, ready to go back on. So pretty good start. Now, for my next trick, I'm going to try and weld the underside up. So, I reckon that don't look too bad. So I'm just thinking I'll have to weld that top piece, won't I? Definitely not the worst day. Patch in underneath, all done. More to do, but she's a good start. So this morning's fun. I think I might actually start here. Clamp that together, weld this up, and then I'm gonna maybe cut a piece out of there and try and weld that up to there and put a new piece in there. When I say it quickly, it doesn't sound so bad, but I'm upside down. There's the spider. That's why that's going on a rotisserie, and I'm then not having to lay on my back looking at this lot. It's not nice. All the stuff falls on me. Don't like it. Please remind me why I like anything to do with fixing cars. Blooming awful being under here. Anyway, needs must. So, cut another hole out to the Panda. Going to make another piece to go in the hole. There we go. I'm very pleased with my patch making. Just now need to find some way of holding it up there. I reckon that's a pretty good patch in there. Not sure I'd even know. I'll put it on the other side. There we go. Get some light on the situation. Pretty good that patch, eh?